Hello everyone, it's Abby from ARdeco, blessing you with another organization video. For today's project, as you guys can see, we have a fridge and a freezer that needs a lot of TLC. Watch how we transform this with some ARdeco magic. So for organizing this fridge and freezer, what we're going to use are these containers right here, clear bins. We have a variety of them. We have this one right here. We have the long and big one. We have the long and narrow one. And we have the bigger one.
And I'm just curious, why do you specifically choose those bins? What makes them special?
They're clear, so you can see through right away, which is going to make our lives easier. We chose the one with the straight side. That way you can stack them easily and you can put stuff on the side as well without worrying about the edges bumping into each other. First step is to empty out the whole fridge and freezer. This is the perfect time to double check all of the sauces, condiments, and the rest of the food for expiration date. Then purge if need be.
We've finished clearing all items out, and as you can see, it's all empty, but it's really dirty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use a solution. You don't have to buy this at the store. I'm pretty sure you have it already in your kitchen. What is this? This is a 1:1 vinegar and water. We won't be using any chemicals in the fridge, and why is that? Because we're putting food in here. So it's in your best interest to use this solution in cleaning your fridge.
Okay, so you guys, we have cleaned the fridge and the freezer as well, as you all can see. Just a quick tip, just move the shelves if you guys need to accommodate the shapes and sizes of your guys' container. We have containers such as this and this one, and we're going to use these on the side of the fridge, right on the door. We put two of them, the shallow and square ones, on here, that way it won't slip onto the side. We are putting this long and narrow one onto here, and we used double adhesive tape for it to stay in place. We took the magnets off the door to clean up the outside part as well.